everyone, how's it going? In today's fun Valentine's Day video, I'll be showing you how to draw a cute Valentine's Day bear. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our Valentine's Day bear, let's begin with the head. So I'm going to start here and I'm just going to make a nice big sad face shape for the top of the head. Next, I'm going to make a line that's just going to kind of curve down and then connect to here. Next, I'm going to make a nice big curve shape right over here. At the top, let's draw an oval shape. Let's make a smaller oval shape inside of here, and then let's color in the rest of it. Now, starting here, let's go ahead and make a little black dot for an eye, and then let's make another little black dot for an eye over here. Next, let's draw a little line down, and then a little smile like this. Right here, let's make a nice big half circle shape for an ear, and then we'll do the same thing over here. We'll draw one more inside, and then another one inside right here. Now for the body, let's go ahead and draw a line that comes down, and then another line that comes down. We'll also draw a little line that curves across here. Then we're going to make a little line that's going to curve down to here. And we'll do that same thing. Just bring this down and then kind of curve it to here. We can go ahead and make a diagonal line on each side for like the sleeves of the shirt. Now for the heart on the shirt, let's draw a curved line like this. We'll do another one here. We just go up, make that curve, and then bring it down for that heart shape. Next, right here, let's draw a little line down, and then a little line down. Let's make a curve here, and then let's make a curve here. Let's go ahead and just connect them. Then we can draw a little line up here to kind of separate the feet. Then we can make a little line here. Next, let's make our little Valentine's Day bear holding a balloon. So I'm just going to begin by making a little wiggly line here. Then we're going to make a nice big curve shape here. And then another one that's just going to go up and down for the balloon. Then over here, let's make them holding a card. We'll just draw a line that goes out, down, and then it's going to come back and up. Then we're just going to go down and up. And there you go. There is your drawing of a cute little Valentine's Day bear. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.